Hello friends. If you want to propagate guava tree like this at home, you can follow this technique. Let's take a look at this process step by step. Initially, select a premium guava cultivar. Using a sterile, sharp knife, make 2 parallel circumferential cuts about an inch apart around the stem. Carefully remove and scrape away the ring of cortex flowing between cuts, exposing the underlying xylem tissue. Now, take a cactus and apply cactus gel to the cut part of the plant. Now, take a piece of jute bag and wrap it tightly around the branch. Cover it completely with black polythene or aluminum foil paper. Tie it with zip tie. After 45 days, I'm going to open it. Look, friends, how beautifully the roots have grown. Once the roots are well developed, carefully separate the branch.